this bird's been in there long enough. If it's gonna poop, probably wouldn't. So it's gonna be moving around. Oops, where did you go? You're just gonna kind of gently push it into a corner, and you're gonna like ball it up. You wanna like, who knows where it's gonna be. You wanna make sure you have the wings, there we go, tucked in your hands.
Okay.
Oh yeah, here we go. So wings are tucked, head's between my fingers.
Yep.
Its legs are yellow, so this is the least sandpiper. Into the bag it goes. We'll close it up, and now we'll look and see if it pooped. And
It pooped.
Huh.
Okay, flat wing.
Got the band ID. Okay, and we can, so now we're gonna let it go. And
Oh, buddy.
Ooh.
There we go. Go find your friend.